You're watching How Leap. Let's delete photos and videos from iCloud. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone, iPad, or go to iCloud.com on a computer. Ensure you are signed in with your Apple ID. If using the Photos app, tap Albums at the bottom, then select All Photos. To delete multiple items, tap Select in the top right. Then tap each photo or video you want to remove or drag your finger across a range. Tap the trash can icon. A message will ask to confirm deletion from iCloud Photos on all your devices. Tap Delete Photo or Delete Videos. If using iCloud.com, click Photos, select the items and click the trash can icon, then Confirm. Deleted items are moved to the recently deleted album where they stay for 30 days. To permanently delete them immediately, go to the Albums tab, scroll to Recently Deleted, tap Select. Then delete all or select specific items and tap Delete. Confirm by tapping Delete Photo. This removes the photos and videos from iCloud and all synced devices, freeing up storage space. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.